Welcome back, investors and growth chasers. Big moves can start quietly, and today we're zeroing in on a ticker that's sparking optimism, AMBO. If you love the thrill of spotting momentum early, stick around. This story blends renewed chart attention, education demand, and real reasons investors are getting excited. Let's dive in. AMBO Education Holding Ltd. Spon adds each Rep 20, known on the exchange as AMBO, is a player focused on education-related services. It operates in a space that touches on learning, training, and the scaling of instructional platforms. Education is a sector that never truly sleeps. Populations grow. Learning needs evolve. That makes companies like AMBO well-positioned to capture waves of demand when market sentiment turns positive. AMBO is small, nimble, and capable of surprising the market when momentum builds. It's an ideal candidate for investors who look for catalysts and upside potential in niche, high-interest sectors. Here's something that matters. Trading and market analysis platforms are starting to pay attention. A recent TradingView piece featured AMBO's stock price and chart, spotlighting it on broader trading radars. That kind of coverage does more than inform. It attracts eyeballs, traders, and technical analysts who hunt for momentum. When a well-known charting platform highlights a ticker, it can trigger increased volume, tighter spreads, and renewed investor interest. Why is that exciting? Consider how market attention works. Retail and algorithmic traders often scan the same sources. When a stock appears on TradingView or similar sites, it enters a shared pool of ideas. For AMBO, that means more people studying the chart, more discussion in trading communities, and more potential buyers stepping in. In short, visibility breeds activity. And for a smaller name, that activity can lead to compelling upside moves. Now let's talk growth drivers. First, the education sector drews on to the ending as during tailwinds. Global demand for learning solutions, from test prep to vocational training and digital learning platforms, remains strong. Governments, families, and corporations continue to invest in skills and education. That macro backdrop supports companies that provide education services and scalable learning solutions. Second, small cap and underfollowed names can outperform when they catch a sentiment wave. AMBO's recent appearance on charting platforms means it's entering conversations. That can accelerate liquidity and investor engagement. Third, innovation in education delivery and digital platforms creates multiple expansion paths. Whether through partnerships, improved course offerings, or expanded geographic reach, companies in this space can grow quickly once momentum and capital align. Finally, the broader market environment can favor names that display clear technical setups. When analysts and traders spot favorable patterns, coverage grows. Increased coverage can attract institutional re-evaluation, retail participation, and strategic partnerships, all of which can propel growth and price momentum for a target like AMBO. So why are investors getting excited about AMBO right now? It's the combination of visibility, sector strength, and the potential for positive technical momentum. The TradingView feature is a positive signal. It means that chartists and traders are actively watching AMBO's movements. That spotlight can be the first domino to fall in a sequence of growing interest. Longer term, AMBO sits in an evergreen sector. Education is resilient through cycles. There's a consistent need for effective learning solutions, and companies that deliver value can expand into new markets and products. For investors hunting opportunities with high upside potential, AMBO represents an intriguing mix. A sector with stable demand, the chance for a rapid re-rating if market sentiment turns, and the realistic possibility of partnerships or strategic updates that could drive valuation upgrades. Every surge starts somewhere. For AMBO, that source is renewed analyst and chartist attention. As more people discover the story, momentum can compound. That kind of compounding attention is what creates breakout moments in smaller names. This is an exciting time to watch AMBO. The combination of TradingView coverage, a resilient industry, and theme mechanics of market attention make this a ticker worth monitoring closely. If you like catching trends early, AMBO could be one of those stories that accelerates once momentum builds. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss follow-up updates. Drop a comment below. Are you watching AMBO? What price level would make you pay attention? I read every comment and love hearing your perspectives. Stay tuned. We'll keep tracking any new developments and technical signs that matter. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.